Why did Szoboszlai train in boots that didn't fit? Szoboszlai's father, a former professional footballer, put Dominic through intense training from a young age, including making him wear boots smaller than his actual size. The goal? To limit the growth of his feet and improve his ball control, believing that smaller feet meant better precision and finesse. A family source explained, "To strike the ball well, you need long legs and small feet. That's why his father was so strict." The idea was inspired by Hungarian legend Ferenc Puskás, known for his technique and small feet. And it may have worked. Szoboszlai is over 1.80 meters tall, but wears size 40 boots, UK 7.